Alright guys, I got a long way to go on this 70 Wildcat. But I gotta bring it in, check a few things with this rear speaker deck. Make sure everything is fitting good. So I'm gonna be firing it up here today. It ain't been fired in a while. Now after I get done with this car, next winter it will not be sitting outside, it'll be up at the vault. But I need room in here to work, so I'll just pull it in and out whenever I'm working on it here. Alright, I gotta throw a battery in here. It's like 37 degrees out here. You know, I remember what, being 18, 19, have to change starters outside, or the cars had the side post on them, and not having the 5/16 wrench, and you sit there with a vice grip and strip your battery post out, be 0 below. Those are the good old days. Didn't know nothing about having the right tools to work with. Right tools make all the difference in the world, guys. Alright. See if this baby is gonna fire up. I'll put this in my pocket. Alright. So this baby fires up, but it won't kick down. It won't kick down, guys. Like after idling a little while, it won't kick down. That's why I got to give it to it the shot, get the carburetor thing about. But I want to pull this. Oh, I thought that was fake. So I got to get it in the shop. But she's running good, you know, the engine, I gotta get exhaust, new exhaust put on here. It's hanging down up underneath. But she's running good. 70 Wildcat got. Yeah, I got it on the hood, on the trunk. But so I gotta pull it in, fit this back deck in. Some get that back deck in there. Then I gotta finish up with the bucket seats on the other side, getting it mounted down where I can pull 15 and get the floor plugs, get the floors, load up the carpet, get the carpet in here. Gotta jam this other side. That would be good though. But the engine's not shaking or nothing, guys. Well, she's running good, but she just won't kick down. Oh, she kicked down that time. Last time I was trying to give her the kick down, she wouldn't kick down. Huh. She kicked down for me today, so I don't know. Maybe something's sticking. Yeah, she kicked down for me today, guys. Ain't that something? So let me get this car pulled in here. Alright, 70 Wildcat, guys. Alright, so I'm going to use this little pick, get up under here just enough to lift this windshield up. It's cold. Don't want to crack it. Crack it! I'm gonna crack it! Oh. I didn't crack it. So I'm gonna have to put more aluminum foil down. These clips can come out of here so I don't crack the windshield. Alright, let me get this back speaker deck plate and put it in here, guys. And let me see where I'm at. So, let me get it in here. And then I want to scoot it in. See if it's going to fit back here. See if I need to trim anything. And I see I do need to, I am gonna need to trim some of these edges down. That's why I didn't make it too thick in there just yet. That's fitting in there pretty good. Right. Yeah, that's pretty good there. So, yeah. All right. Yeah, and I think that's gonna look pretty good, guys. So, let me look. Let me see here. So coming across the back, once that's all painted in, to me that's not going to look too bad, guys. It's not going to look too bad at all. It's all things a Buick original. As Binky say, magic shot. Yeah, I'm liking how that's looking there, guys. I really do. I like how that's gonna look back there. So I get the window in, get everything in. So I gotta play with it, finesse it some, but I gotta get it to fit up under there like so. So I already see, guys, I'm gonna have to trim some of the edges down here just a little bit, but that's why I had to get it in here and play with it. Then I gotta go up and get the back seat, sit it in here, and see how I want this edge. Do I want this edge to fold down? Fold down over here? Or do I just want to make it flat across? And I think I'm going to just make it flat across to fit up against the seat. But yeah, that's looking good, guys. That's going to look good. So, all right.